Hey guys, I'm back with another fireworks stash video, and today is just part one of my fireworks stash for 4th of July. So, first we're going to start this off with fireworks, shock storm assortment, $10. You really wouldn't pay $30 for this. I would pay about $5 for this. Pyro fan, crystal fountain, rainbow trout, June bug. Can't really read that. What is that here? I think that is, I can't remember. There's, other little box fountains in there and stuff. You have your cars up in there. I never even really, sparklers, just the silver ones, not morning glories. These crackling salutes, they just crackle. Have 3 things of those. Lit some off. M3000. Sorry for the background noise. Short stack. Super value 3-pack. Has Blazing Revel. Star. Here, I can't read that right now. Sorry, it's like the name's Star or something. I don't know. And Pyro Fire right here. So that's it. Just starting my stash, guys. So that's not all I'm going to have, but this is just the final look of my 2015 4th of July fireworks stash part 1. And yeah, so bye.